A very good morning, Mark. Here it's Wednesday, July the 13th, 8 a.m. going on 8 a.m. Eastern, 12 noon GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look how the markets are shaping up this morning. And starting on the US dollar index, and you can see the sell-off from yesterday continuing the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, and a new lower support set at 97.52. I've got resistance at 97.98. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see slow, steady downward movement all through the European session and sellers looking down at this support, selling US dollar and the index about to test the 97.43 support level going into the US session. Let's have a look at the S&P. We're an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening, so I'm looking at the futures market. And you can see before the open a continuation of yesterday's strong push in the S&P, gapped higher to start, trading higher, support 6,461, slightly below yesterday's record close, and setting a new record already before Wall Street opens up with resistance at 6,484. Buyers will be looking to test the 6,500 level. Sellers, of course, will be looking down below the 6,461 support. Gold. Gold continuing a nice push from yesterday. Yesterday pushed up off the support level. Continuing today, I've got support at 3,342 and resistance at 3,366. EMA is moving sideways. Buyers looking up at the 3,400 level. Sellers, of course, will look to test break below the strong support here at 3,340. Let's look at Brent oil. Continuing the sell-off from yesterday, we've had this very strong sell-off here from the end of July all through August, and support again at that 65.61, the support which was tested a few days ago, end of last week, hanging around the support area. Buyers haven't been able to step in and bounce up off the support area. Support at 65.61 looks like it's going to be tested, challenged again, and I've got resistance at 66.34. Bitcoin also continuing yesterday's push higher. I've got support at 118.9 thousand, so it came lower to start. You can see that has left a wick behind, and buyers now looking at the 120,700. That's the resistance, looking to maintain above that 120,000 mark, which has been tough. If we scroll back, you can see that, but certainly on the front foot for now and looking up at the 122.3, even higher, perhaps the 123,000 record high. But buyers started strong, and we've got US dollar index looking to continue its push lower. US dollar being sold across the board. S&P, a good start in the futures market, looking to add to yesterday's record moves. Gold, inverse relationship with the US dollar. Gold looking strong today. Oil continuing the sell-off, and Bitcoin also looking higher, and buyers in control to start. Keep that discipline. You've got resistance and support levels to work with, and I'll see you at the end of the day. Good trading.